Want to build apps and websites without being a coding expert? Well, Claude AI can be your technical partner and help you launch and design a project faster than ever. Welcome back to AI Varsity. In the previous episode, I showed you how to use NA10 to automate your workflow. So if you haven't seen that yet, you should make sure you watch the video after this. In this episode, we'll explore how to use Claude AI not just for writing, but for building apps, websites, and solving everyday problems, all for free. So what is Claude AI? Well, Claude AI is basically just like your any other AI tool, just like ChatGPT, Grok, Llama, Cursor, and others. But one significant thing about Cloud AI is that it excels at reasoning and coding more than any other AI app. So for you to get started, I'm going to put the link to the website in the description of this video, so you can check it out there, or you can download the Cloud AI app on your phone or your device. So when you go to the link, you have to sign up with your email or sign up through Gmail address. So after signing up, you will be asked some few questions, and then it will bring you here to this page here. So on this page, this place here, when you click this place, you can start a new chat here. Then for you to search, if you want to search anything, and then if you want to customize your AI, the more you get to use the AI, the more you know about it. And then here for your list of chats, and then projects, artifacts here, and then codes. So there are some things I would like you to do when you finish signing up for Cloud. And the first thing is make sure you turn on extended thinking here. Turn it on. And also, if you can pay for the paid plan, then fine. But if you can't, then the free plan also is enough for you to build some things daily. Though you have message limits daily, but then the ones you have will always be enough for you to build whatever you want to build. So make sure you turn on this extended thinking here. You can see if you want to use Opus 4.0, 4.62 as your model, you have to upgrade. But then this Sonnet is very fine also, and it works well. So that's basically what the interface is. And then there's something else about Cloud that you can use, something I enjoy using with Cloud. If you click on add connectors and you search MCP, you can see this Android MCP and Windows MCP. What this MCP basically do is when you connect it with your Cloud, it will allow Cloud to access your device without you having to manually give it access whenever you want to build anything. So you can just order Cloud or prompt Cloud to build or do something for you, and then Cloud can go into your device and use your browser or any of your file, either your images or your folders, without you having to click on it. So you can just prompt Cloud to build something for you, and then you leave your system and it will do whatever it wants to do without you having to do anything manually. So sometimes using that is very fun, but then it can be risky also. So you just take caution whenever you are trying to connect that. So we are going to be building some things, but then what can you build? What can we build it using Cloud AI? There are some things major things you can build, like personal portfolio websites. You can also build a weather dashboard. You can build a chatbot API linking it with Telegram. You can also build a business website for your business, for any business, and lots more. So we're going to be doing a few examples there. Probably we'll build one website and one application also, just so I would show you how it works. But then for the applications, for you to build application and successfully launch it, it takes another step, because after building the application, you have to launch it on App Store or on Google Play Store, which takes some other procedures, which can be very tiring or very expensive if you are not used to it. But then you can build applications for you to use personally on your device. So you can build some applications and then you'll be using it personally on your device, and you don't have to launch it on App Store or Play Store. While websites, well, you can build websites for free without you having to spend any money. But for the website, if you want some special domains, then you have to spend money to buy the domain. But launching it is basically free. It is free, but then for you to use your own domain, you have to purchase the domain and then link it. So that's just the difference between those two. So we're going to try and build two things now. And so the first thing I want us to try and build now is a currency converter app for your device. So you can build it for your phone or for your laptop. So I'm going to build it for my system here. So I did prepare the prompts, but then whenever you want to prompt Cloud AI to build anything for you, there's some 4 major steps you have to follow. And the first step is the persona, while the second one is the tags, the third one is format, and then the last one is context. That is the personnel, that is what you want or who you want Cloud to be, either a medical doctor or a programmer or a web designer. So you just prompt that Cloud, I want it to be this person, and then the tags, I want it to be a web designer, then the tags, I want it to build a medical website for me, then the format, I want the website to be a laptop version or a phone format, this type of typography, this color, blue color, blah blah blah, and all. And then in context, some additional things you want to add to the website. So this is like the format for you to build anything on Cloud, so you'll be able to get the best results out of it. So I did prepare the prompt, so I'm just going to paste it here. So for the prompt to build a currency converter, so I want to be a smart app programmer. You can see that's a persona here who I want Cloud to be. Then the task, build me a currency converter app. That is the task. Now the format, make sure the app consists of all available currencies in the world. Give it a dark blue theme, some special designs, blah 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 blah. Then the context now, and I want you to always add this context to your prompt whenever you are building. So I want you to give me a step-by-step instruction on how to use this app on my device, because I have no coding experience, and then also make sure it is free to use, because there are sometimes when you have to build and then some third-party applications Cloud will have to use for you. You might have to pay for it, but if you instruct it on using free ones, then it will use free ones from building it, so you won't have to like prompt it again to use free tools for you. So we're just going to send this one now. So after sending, we would wait for Cloud to finish building it, and then we'll come back to it. So I'll pause the video and then come back to the video. So welcome back. So Cloud is done building our app for us. You can see the app here. You can see it did everything itself with just our prompt. So you can see the structures are here. Here is your blah blah blah, the core features, 100 plus word currencies, AI powered exchange locations, swap button, favorite bar, that is you can pin your most used currencies. Then after converting, it shows rates, location, history, tips, that is smart money, smart travel money advice, avoid airport exchanges, blah blah blah, and so on. So step-by-step instruction. Open Cloud in your web browser, already have here. Look for the app preview, that is the app preview. Choose from your currency after opening it, and then so you can see the app. You can just launch it anytime on Cloud, or you can download the file also. If you're using a laptop, download the file and then you can just open it anytime on your device and the app will open. So this is the preview of the app. So you can see we have Euro, GBP, JPY, Chinese, and NGN. So let's say I want to convert 100 USD, let's say 1000 to British pound. So we can see 790. So 1000 USD, 790 British pound, and then the rate, you can see the currency is 0.92 and 0.92 euro, 0.79 per pound, then another's 2, and then what are the other things it said? Okay, so the location, so you can see Barclay Banks, the location is there where we can go to exchange the money. History, the two things we've converted, then tips also. So this is it, very easy to build. So you can build any of that thing. Just think about any idea you have, and then or any idea that comes to your mind, and just come here and build. You can build anytime, even after building this. If something else comes to your mind while you're building one, you can just open a new chat, and you type in whatever the idea is, and while Cloud is building that, you can go back to your old chats to continue building the other app. So it is very easy and very interesting to do. The more you build with Cloud, the more it becomes fun to you. So that's for that one. And then we're going to try the websites now. So I'm just going to type in the prompt and we'll come back to the video. Yeah, so I already go to the prompt here. So here's one hint I want to give you about Cloud. If you want your conversation with Cloud to be very friendly and very fun. You can start a conversation with a buddy or a pal, some, just like you want to talk to your mates or your friend, and then to make the conversation more fun and more interactive with Cloud, rather than just, prompting it to do whatever you want. So here's the prompt. Hey buddy, I want you to be the best web designer in the whole world. You're so good that even Google can't hire you because they can't afford to pay you. Blah blah blah. So the task now, build me an online shopping website for my sneakers business where buyers can, that is the task. Now the format where buyers can order to buy from me. I want this website to be different from regular websites. I want us to have an interactive platform on it for buyers to share their experience from buying from me, share images of the product so others can see how good it is and help increase my trust score. Blah blah blah. This should be a modern way of getting review from purchase to good. Blah blah blah. So now the context also, which I said you should always add to your prompt. Also, I have no coding experience, so after building, give me full step-by-step instruction on how to launch my website for free, because this is a new business. I need the launch to and maintenance to be free for now. So you just send it. But one advice is whenever you want to start a new design or a new product with Cloud, you should always open a new chat. Don't chat with it. Don't prompt it on the same chat that you've been building something else. So I'm just going to open a new chat here, and then I'll paste it and send. So we'll wait for Cloud to finish building it, and we'll come back to the video. Welcome back. So Cloud is done building our website for us. But before we go on with that, I want to share something with you. So with this way we are prompting Cloud is like the normal way of you talking to an AI assistant. But then the professional way is that you can actually go to ChatGPT or Gemini or other AI tool and another AI tool and share this idea with it and then tell it to generate a prompt for you that you can give to Cloud AI. Then you copy that prompt and then you paste it on a Cloud AI chat and it will build whatever you want. But most times I prefer talking to Cloud AI directly, because chatting with it directly and sharing my idea with you directly is okay. It's like you sharing your idea with a friend. So Cloud will be able to suggest what you can add to it and what you can take out from your idea, and then it will build something really nice for you. But most times when you go to another AI and then take a prompt from it and share it to Cloud, it will just be like a boss telling his employee to build something. That way the employee can't question the boss or add or remove from what the boss has instructed. So most times I prefer using Cloud AI and then talking to it directly and sharing my mind with it. So that's that. So this is the website. So this is the name, Soulcraft. I forgot to add the name, so you can just, next time you want to prompt it, make sure you add the name of the website. We can actually add it also, but I just don't want to waste our time with that. So this is the name, Soulcraft, and here is instruction. So okay, what's built in your website? The shop, 8 product card with pricing, size selector, blah blah blah, add to cards, smooth card, blah blah blah, and other things, everything else. So to launch now, open index. It said you should open this in Notepad and swap it to a real WhatsApp number, business name or project and price. Host, then create your free account. We will have to create an account on Github and upload the file, and the site will be live. So we're going to do that also. We can use GitHub, we can use some other apps too. So we're going to also do that. But first things first, let us take a look at the website it's built. So this is the website. You can see shop. Okay, let us open it. It's open now. Well, let's take a look at it from here. So you can see shop, contacts, step into it. You can see very beautiful website. So all this image, you get the opportunity to add your product yourself. And these ones are just like sample images. How to order, pick a pair, place order, confirm and pay, we deliver, flex on the wall. The flex on the wall, share your flex. Okay, this is the interactive part of the app, the website rather. And then you can see, so this is the website. Everything we asked for it's built it for us. So this is actually very nice and very cool and good. So you can also just share your own idea for your website and prompt it, and ChatGPT and the Cloud AI would build whatever you want for you. So let us go to the part of launching the website, which I'm going to show you. So first things first, let us create a GitHub account. I'm going to pause the video and then I'll come back to it. I already have the account, so I'm just going to log into my account and we'll come back to the video soon. Yeah, so let's launch our website. So we're going to follow the instructions given by Claude. We'll follow it one after the other so you guys can also understand. So it says this is the launch guide here, so we're going to open it. So what's the first thing? Okay, what you need before? You need a computer, blah blah blah, Gmail account for the index HTML file I built, which is this one. So we're going to download it. So we're going to download the file, and then about 30 minutes. So the first thing is customize your website. So now we can customize our website first. Go to index, this place. It says we should copy the code, I think. Okay, in the notepad or textpad, find the. Okay, so we'll go to this place and copy the code. So just click copy here. Once you click copy, it has copied. So let me go back to the guide. Okay, so we open it on our notepad. This is a notepad, so I'll just paste it here. So it says we should search for 234. We should change our mobile number. So first you can change your WhatsApp number there. So we're just going to change some few things because we're just testing this. This is not real. So so this is a WhatsApp number here. So you can just change it to any number you want. That is, you change to your WhatsApp number for your business WhatsApp number. And then what else again? It says change. We can change the business name also. So so it says we should search for Soulcraft. Let me just find it. So okay, yeah, so let me see another one. Okay, so we should search for Soulcraft and replace it with business name. So we're going to replace the Soulcraft. You can replace it with any business name you want, and some other things also to change. You can your product, when you search for name, you replace the name with your product's name, the actual price, and some other things also. So but then we don't have to do any of that. So update the location in the tracker also and other things. So now to actually launch it, he said we should go to GitHub. So we'll go to GitHub. I already opened my account here. So it says you have to, so if you don't have an account before, you have to sign up and create a password and all. So after logging in, we have to create a new repository here. So we'll name the repository and name.github.com. So let me just copy this. Go to GitHub. So new repository. So create new one. So the name, I'll paste it here, and then I'll replace the username with this. So the description, I'm not sure any description is needed. Name it blah blah blah. Make sure it is public. So it is public. Add a readme. It says yes. Then what else again? Scroll down and then click on the green commit changes button. Wait about 2 minutes. So scroll down and green commit. Okay, create repository. So after creating, we have to wait for it. So once it is done, then our website is live. Okay, we have to add the file. So when the repository is live here, so just click on add file, upload file. So I already downloaded the index HTML file, so I'll add it to it, which is instruction. It said drag and drop the HTML file into your upload area, scroll down and click commit changes button, wait about 2 minutes. So after clicking uploading it, commit changes. So it said we should wait about 2 minutes. After waiting, then the website is live, so we can just go to the website and check it. So let's check if our website is actually live here. So this is it. This is the link. Okay, so I can even open it from here. So I tried opening the website, but apparently GitHub is showing us an error. Let me show you guys. So So this is the website on the error GitHub is showing. But then I'm going to show you guys another website we can use to launch the app. So I'm going to add a link to the website also in the description of this video. So the website is called Netlify. So this is it. So when you go to the link, when you go to Netlify, you create an account either with email or whatever. So I'm going to use login with Gmail. Oops, cancel. So I want to use another email. So when you log in with email, you just register for an account. So after registering for an account, when you want to launch a web project on the home page here, it is very easy. So the first thing we need to do first is actually create the index file you download from cloud. The index file we downloaded earlier. This index file here. After downloading it, you have to move it to your folder. So we're going to do that together now. So let us download it. Save as. So let us create a new folder first. You can we name it Craft. So we'll save it in the Soulcraft folder. So after saving it there, you just go back to your Netlify page and then click on upload file. That is, you want to upload manually. So click on upload file and click on the the Soulcraft we used. So click on upload and upload. So you hold on, we're going to hold on for it to load. So this is it is done. I think our project is our web page is launched already. So this is the website here. You can see if we click the website to take us to the web page. So you can see this is the website here. So it is very easy. So whenever you want to send to like your friends or your customers, all you have to do is copy the link here. All you have to do is copy the link and send it to them. And also you can change the domain actually. So all you have to do is go to the domain management and click on domain. But for you to add the domain, you have to buy a domain. So you can see buy a domain or add a domain you already own. I think Cloud gave us suggestions on some domain we can use. So yeah, Cloud gave us an option on how to get ahead. So yeah, Cloud said we can go to this website here, register.com.ng or googlehost.com, and then buy a domain. So you can buy a domain for your website for 2,000 to 5,000 naira per year. That's very cheap actually. So after buying them, and then you follow the other instruction and you just add your domain to this website. So instead of your friends going to this domain here, which doesn't even sound good, you would have your website domain. So you just link it to the website and you have your website. So whenever you send the link to them and they click on it, it will take them to the website Cloud built for you, which is very quick. You can see it is working real time. So there are lots you can change. You can also add, I think Cloud give us options on what to do. Okay, so let's say we already updated the website, the WhatsApp already. So the maintenance, I think Cloud, there was somewhere. Well, you can actually update it. You can update a lot. You can update the notification part where whenever people order on your website, you get the notification on your phone directly and many other things. So just whatever you don't understand, you can actually ask Cloud to tell you and explain, and it will explain. So that's basically how to use Claude AI to build a website or build an app for your personal use or for public use also. So when you start building, the more you build, the more you interact with Cloud, the more you get a hang of it and how to do all these things without even having any coding experience. Because with Cloud, you don't just get answers, you get working solutions also. It's like Cloud is like having a developer and a strategist in your pocket. So make sure you try Cloud AI today to build your first app or your first website for your business. The links are going to be in the description below, so you can check both the Netlify link, GitHub link, and Cloud AI link also. You can check them in the description below. And if you have any question, do well to comment your question and I'll reply you. And also make sure you subscribe to AI Varsity for more AI tool review. Thank you.